Alright, hello. If you are getting this video, this means that the school Wi-Fi is down. And unfortunately, we were unable to meet, so I'm going to introduce myself to you guys this way. I am Miss Sharp, and I am your virtual online 6th grade math teacher. I am also your homeroom teacher, so every morning you guys will report to me, and hopefully we won't have this issue for long, so we will get to meet each other every morning online, virtually, and kind of get to know each other. I wouldn't say morning meetings, but that's what I'm going to like to call them, morning meetings. So around 8:20, I'm going to send you guys a Google Meet, and we're going to log on with our mics muted, and we're going to maybe get to talk a couple times. We'll get to talk about the day, what's going to happen, what it's going to look like, things you're going to have to do, and then we're going to log off, and either you're going to have a pre-recorded video of me explaining the lesson, or we're going to have video chats maybe with a couple people here and there, or just one-on-ones, okay? So today you're going to have a Nearpod lesson, and it's going to be self-paced. Now, if the Wi-Fi was up, we would be doing it together, but unfortunately it's not, so we are going to be doing it self-paced, all right? Right after this video, there's going to be a link. You're going to click on it, and you're going to go through the Nearpod yourself, and you're going to watch the videos, you're going to answer the questions, you're going to do the little activities within the Nearpod, and then you're going to submit it for me, okay? And there's a tiny, tiny quiz at the end, and it's mainly for my kiddos who are here in class with me. So you guys are lucky. I'm going to give you the answers. So it's very important. Pay attention. All right. So we're going to do a preview here. Okay. And this is the Nearpod that you are going to get, and you're going to see it for yourself. Okay. So I'm going to really quickly just scan through it here. All right, I'm not going to spend much time on it because you're going to be able to spend time on it. And I'm only going to give you the answers to the things that I would be explaining to my kids in class. All right, so first day expectations. This is what we're going to be talking about in the Nearpod. All right, you guys are going to watch a video on Kid President. You're going to answer some questions. And still, the Wi-Fi on my phone, I'm using my hotspot right now, it's still going extremely slow. And then here's a little bit of information about myself. This page is important because it tells you some pretty important stuff that will have questions on it. Quiz. All right, here's a picture of my dogs and my boyfriend. Here's a picture of another dog, a cat. All right. That's a video, my niece, my cat, my family. All right. Okay, so this is going to be an activity you guys will get to do, a poll you will take. All right, what this year will look like. These are going to be goals, another activity you will get to do. Okay, non-negotiables for brick and mortar. Hand signals. Okay, so if you were in class, you have some hand signals. Some of you guys might have used them before. Some of the hand signals are going to look like this. So in the quiz, you'd get questions, and if you need to go to the restroom, you would go like this, right? You cross your thumbs or your fingers. It'd kind of be like, I gotta go to the bathroom, right? If you needed a pencil, you'd hold up 2 fingers like this. So that's a quiz question. All right, quiz question. If you hold 2 fingers up in the air, you need a pencil. True. Okay. 3, it makes a W, right? It makes a W. So if it makes a W, water, right? So you need water, you hold up your fingers, okay? 4, I need a paper towel or a tissue, okay? And 5, I've got a question. Those are those hand signals, okay? We will probably use them. We have this Me Too signal too. I will explain that to you guys actually. This Me Too signal I like to use. So like, let's say you have a question and one person answers it, but 17 of you guys were like, oh, I knew that answer. Me too. I was going to say that too. All right, you guys could say that. It's kind of like a sign language thing. So remember, gotta go to the bathroom. Doesn't really apply to us because you guys can go to the bathroom whenever you feel like it. Cross your fingers. I need a pencil. 2. Number 2 pencil, right? 3 makes a W for I need a drink of water. 4, I need a tissue or a paper towel. And just 5, I've got a question. Okay, hand signals. Bathroom procedures, okay? Teachers are going to be signing out students. So if you got to go to the bathroom and it's an absolute emergency, we'll sign you out. Mask must be worn at all times. You enter through the ramp. You exit through the steps. That's a quiz question. Enter through the ramp, exit through the steps. You cannot sit wherever you want. That's a quiz question. You have a seating chart at lunch. Walking in hallways, one way. Okay? We have zombie arms. We have zombie arms. That's a quiz question. One way, 6 feet apart with zombie arms. And you're in recess cohorts. Okay? All right. Our non-negotiables for OCO. This is you guys. All right? This is important. You must start and end your class on time. So for you guys, we start at 8:30. Technically 8:20. Okay, 8:30. I'd like to be on at our morning meeting at 8:20 just to say, hey, what's up? Kind of talk to you guys, chit chat. Not math related, just to kind of see how you are for the day. What's up? Any technical difficulties? Some of you guys, I've been working through that with you all night. All right, it's 6 o'clock my time, and I'm still here at school, and I'm still working through some of these difficulties to kind of help make sure that you guys are going to be online, ready to go at 8:20 in the morning tomorrow. So it's better to be online early rather than later so that I can be there prepared and help you ready to go. Office hours are within the block. So from 8:20 to 10 o'clock, that's our math office hours. 8:20 to 10 o'clock, all right? At 11 o'clock, if you guys try to come and get me, I'm going to be teaching to other kiddos here in school. I will not be reachable, all right? Work must be submitted daily. I will have daily work you have to submit, whether it be classwork, whether it be homework, whether it be iReady lessons, whatever it may be, daily it will have to be submitted, even if it's an attendance question. If it's as simple like, hey, what's 2 plus 2? You have to tell me it's 4, okay? That's something daily you've got to tell me. Any work not turned in, when it is time to be turned in, is a 0, and it will reflect in your grade book. Please don't turn in work late. Please don't turn in work just because you don't feel like doing it, okay? We are scholars. We are going to strive for success. That's what we do here in math, all right? 45 minutes of math iReady must be completed every week, not daily, every week. So from Monday to Friday, I expect 45 minutes. Check Google Classroom feeds daily, okay? I will post every day. I will post a daily announcement for you guys every day. I will tell you, good morning, beautiful students of mine. That's what I like to do. You're my beautiful students. I like to tell you that. I'm going to tell you about my day and tell you what we're going to do today. That's what's going to happen. Check your email daily, okay? We're going to learn how to check our emails. That's important, right? That's how we're going to communicate really well because really we don't have anything else to communicate with, okay? And this is my email down here, skylar.sharp@myoneclay.net. You can dojo me if you need to text me after office hours. That's probably going to be the best option to get a hold of me. Okay. Classroom expectations. You guys are going to be doing this activity on your own self-pace. And now the quiz. Let's go through this. Any questions that you could have answered on your own, I'm not going to help you with. Any question that would be a brick and mortar question, I'm going to give you the answer to. So, this year, the teacher signs you out to go to the bathroom if it's an emergency only. Any other case, we go as a class within allotted time. This is true. All right, this is true. If you need a pencil, you should hold up 2 fingers. That should be true. If you have a question, you should cross your 2 fingers. You should say false. That's a bathroom. It's a bathroom. Face masks are required at all times unless you were 6 feet apart. True. If you go to lunch, you can sit wherever you want. False. Miss Sharp has 4 dogs and 2 cats. You tell me. If you need a drink of water, you should hold up 3 fingers. Remember what I told you. What does it look like? True. In the hallways, we walk in one direction and keep our hands up like zombies to help social distance. True. We should always exit through the ramp and enter through the steps. True. Oh, I'm sorry. False. False, false, false. We always enter through the ramp. We exit through the steps. False. All right, and last but last but not least, I'm so excited for this year, even if it looks different. I know I'm in good hands with my 6th grade team, Miss Sharp, Mr. Beaver, and Miss Weaver. True or definitely true? Really, you've only got one option. True. Okay. I know that you guys are super scared, especially because you're miles away from me, all right? We're through a screen, and I couldn't even get to see you guys and virtually introduce myself today. I'm pre-recording myself and not really stinkies. So, don't worry. We will get through it. It will be okay. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you can reach out to me via email or dojo. I've already talked to some of your parents, and I would love to talk to you. We are now free for the rest of the period. Make sure you guys go through this Nearpod yourself. Make sure you guys enter in your classroom expectations. We're going to set them as a virtual class because we are one class together, okay? I want to get to know you, so if you want to meet with me, and hopefully the Wi-Fi is up later, we can talk and we can have a Google Meets. I'm going to eventually reach out to all of you and meet with you and talk with you. And I'll set up some small group times as well, okay? I'm so excited for this school year. You won't really have anything else for me except this Nearpod. Just make sure that you're doing what you need to do. And I cannot wait to see what we have planned.